Merry Christmas and season's greetings to one and all, to whichever part of the world you are listening to me. Christmas is a time for celebration and charity. Remember the people below us because all the time we spend is on worrying about who is better than us and who is above us. At least in this season of Christmas, let's think of those people who are less fortunate than us and do something for them. So, before I get into talking about today's topic, I would ask you to do two things. Hit the like button for this video, subscribe to this channel. It's not enough if you subscribe to the channel. Please ask your friends and relatives to do the same. Oh, don't forget to turn on the bell notification. For if you turn on the bell notification, is only then there is a guarantee that every video that we put will reach to you. In case you don't turn on the bell notification, the YouTube algorithm does not remind you of every video we send to you. Today being Christmas, I thought I would talk about what you can do for those who are in their late teens and early 20s, how you can start in life, especially in this era when COVID pandemic has made life difficult for you and getting a job has become very tough. So, first and foremost, today you are a very lucky generation in the sense the internet university is open to you. Any skill that you want to pick up is there on the net and you can master it if you spend sufficient time on the net. And once you spend sufficient time on the net, you get skills. Whatever the skills that you develop, you can start by freelancing. In fact, why do I say freelancing? I get a lot of offers from youngsters who are able to shoot and edit videos who say that they will do work for me for the hour and they don't want to work full time. So, freelancing seems to be a great idea. So, video editing and videography seems to be only one way of doing it. There are multiple ways by which you can freelance. Concentrate on developing more skills. The more skills you develop in life, the better you're going to be. Even before you look for a job or want to join a corporate, build an impressive proposal. The more impressive your proposal is, the better the prospects of you landing your dream job. So, the idea is to learn more and more skills and become very good and learn to do things in several ways that helps you build your profile. Learn to start writing proposals. If you want to be in startup in business or you want to succeed or you want to sell somewhere in life, you have to learn how to send a proposal either to a would-be employer or to your boss or to your would-be client. Everybody would demand a proposal. Writing a proposal is a great skill, requires great practice. So I'm sure the World Wide Net has given us a great opportunity to study various types of proposals that one can write and then put a proposal that says wow, and your boss or a client cannot refuse that such a proposal. There's in English there's a saying, a proposition which nobody can refuse. So learning to do a proposal to which no client or a would be prospective employer can say no is a great skill. So, if you want to see how a proposal is done, go to the internet, go to the YouTube, and look for Steve Jobs presentations. Steve Jobs presentations are an absolute brilliant way of doing a proposal, especially the way he introduced the iPod, iPad, and the iPhone. So, if you want to learn more on that, I am sure trying to talk about the Stanford commencement speech that Steve Jobs gave. You will know about being staying stupid and learning more. The other point, which next point, which I want to tell you is when you land your first job, learn to over deliver. So when you are asked to do 20, deliver 40. Brain Tracy has a brilliant method to do this. The more and more the games you play, better and better your boss is going to be happier. The more you finish, more tasks given to you, you finish ahead of time and give it to your boss and impress it. He is going to feel more happy with you and he is going to give you more and more responsibilities. As you keep delivering more and more responsibilities and finishing tasks on time, then very soon a time will come when the boss will give you the most responsible things and he will treat you as a dependable ally on whom a lot of his responsibility can be unloaded. Next thing is what on teaching. Suppose you want to understand something, follow the Feynman technique. The Feynman technique is very simple. When you want to understand something, first learn to teach it to a child and explain that concept the way a child can understand. If the child is not able to understand, it means you have gaps in your understanding and you go back and study better and then teach it in such a way that a 5-year-old child can understand it. That means you have ironed out the holes and wriggles and you can explain the concept well. Teaching helps you to understand whether you know the subject or not. If we cannot teach a subject to somebody, that means that you don't know it well and you have to go to learn again. People tell me all the time that they don't have an opportunity and the opportunities in the world are closed. Nothing is that is not true because the world has now come to your telephone and you can contact anyone in the world with your telephone. So use the net to sell either sell your skills or learn to sell products which you want to trade in or products which you can make. I know of a person who passed architecture but wanted to be a baker. She bakes from her home in Bangalore, Whitefield, and sells cakes all over Bangalore and has got a successful clientele, all through the fact that she used Instagram and Facebook and built a very influential campaign. That leads me to the last point. Today, we use social media to waste time and pass time on it. Instead, if you are smart, social media can be a great tool. Use it as a tool to enhance your education and open as a gateway to do business. If I am what I am today, it is because of social media. If this was available at 20, when I was 20, my world would have been completely different. Today, you have an opportunity. Go ahead and grab it. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Be Rich.